On today's video, we're going to be doing some tailgating food, meatballs wrapped in bacon. All right, guys, so it's football season. A lot of tailgate is going on. We're going to be throwing in some tailgating food that we can do on our smoker. A lot of this stuff is going to be really easy, but it's going to taste really good. Now we're going to go to one of my top favorites. Those are the ones we're going to be showing today. One of the things that I love, that I tried once and they were really good. We're going to do the meatballs wrapped in bacon and then dip them in barbecue sauce towards the end. So you can do your homemade meatballs if you guys have a recipe. I got these from Walmart, and then it just makes it a lot more easier. So we're going to go ahead and open these. And so then we're gonna have the bacon here, and we cut the bacon in half. And then you're gonna need some toothpicks to hold the bacon. So, real simple. And you grab your meatball, and then you're just gonna roll it just like that. You grab a toothpick, and there you go. I'm gonna do it one more time. Grab your meatball, and roll it in there. Just like that, see? So, we're gonna do the rest and we'll be back. All right, guys, so here we have it. We're all done. We're gonna transfer these to this cooking grate here, and makes transportation a lot more easy. Put them in and put them out. If you guys haven't had one of these right here, I got these at Amazon, I think. All right, so how we're gonna cook these bad boys? So we're gonna put our pit boss at 350 degrees. I think total time is about 45 minutes. At the 30-minute mark, we're gonna come look at them. If the bacon looks almost done, we're gonna go ahead and dip them in barbecue sauce and let them cook for another 15. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, our pit boss is ready, 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and add it over here on this side. And we'll be back in 30 minutes. All right, guys, 30 minutes have passed. So we're gonna go ahead and dip these. Just like that. All right, and those back ones, no sauce for the wife, so we're just gonna leave them there too. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Oh man, look how good they look. Look at that. All right, so here we have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so this looks great. This looks really good. for a tailgate or something. It's something real easy. You can make a lot of them. Pre-do them before you're gonna start. Put them in the fridge, and then you gotta just take them out. If you have one of these grates to transport them, it's even better. So it just, you can make a lot of it. And then like I said, it's perfect for one of those tailgates. Or if you're watching a football game, any kind of game, you want something real good, bam, easy, 45 minutes tops, you're done. So let's go ahead and grab one of these. Wow. That is really good. That is amazing. Not too heavy on the barbecue sauce, it's just enough where it's perfect. Hope you guys liked this video. This is something you guys should try. There's going to be a nice big announcement coming in the upcoming weeks. Trying to polish up the whole how we're going to do this, but stay tuned for an announcement that's coming. But this, hands down, well worth it. So make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.